today I thought I'd share with you my deodorant recipe. So if you're like me and you want to use a natural deodorant, but you struggle finding one out there because you go through them, you sweat through them, the smell penetrates through it, I got you. This is a really good deodorant that I've been using for years now, and this works. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a jar to put your deodorant in. It could be any shape, size. A smaller one, like the size of a deodorant, would be good. So I use this one. You need baking soda. You need coconut oil. You can use any. I use this organic one. That's coconut oil. Arrowroot powder. I think I have used tapioca starch before as well, and that also works. So these are my essential oils. I'm going to do the doTERRA Balance. And this also has health benefits. So I just put in my deodorant and it absorbs into my body and also gives me the benefits as well. So I use this one. It has a nice scent to it. I have other ones. This is my lavender. I've done lavender in there as well. So you can do a couple of lavender drops. You can make it citrusy. You actually don't have to put essential oil in there, but if you do want a certain scent, then you can add that to it. So in my jar, I am going to put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So get your coconut. You want 3 tablespoons. So 1, 2, and 3. And they're not perfectly measured. Okay, you have your coconut oil. Then you put your 2 tablespoons of your arrowroot powder. One, 2. And then you get your baking soda. And I'll link the recipe below as well. And it's 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So 1, 2. You can start stirring. I just take like a chopstick and you can start stirring it around. And it's going to take a little bit for the coconut oil to soften. Keep stirring until the coconut oil softens and everything is combined really well. And I could also double this recipe if I wanted to make more. But I mean, this lasts me a long time because you only need a little bit on your armpit, under your armpit. Okay, so it's combined really well. So that's pretty good. So now I'm going to take my Balance Essential Oil and do 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Let's see. And if you want it a little thicker, you can add more powder if you don't want it so runny. More of the arrowroot powder. So you clean that up a little bit. That is your deodorant, guys. And it works so well. If you have smelly perspiration that you go through with other natural deodorants and nothing seems to work for you, this will work. So I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments once you try it if it worked for you and if you like it. All right, guys, so here's your deodorant. Yes, it's a little messy to make, but it's fun. So it's in my little jar. And then I'll put the lid on it. I actually write the recipe right on there because it lasts such a long time, and then I just have it for next time. And here's my deodorant. So it's all ready, and use it every day. And this works so great. And it's all homemade natural ingredients that you're putting on your body. No toxic chemicals, nothing with aluminum. So, and I do buy one without aluminum. Um, but yeah, I love this deodorant. I hope you guys try it and leave comments and let me know if you decide to try it. All right, I'll see you in my